Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Long and thick hair is almost every girl's dream, but pollution and the constant use of styling tools and colorants damages the hair and make it weak, thin and dry. This can also cause the hair of break. Going for a hair spa treatment might seem like the only way to rejuvenate your hair, but there are some simple tips that can you help maintain your hair on the regular. Here, how you can make your hair thick and healthy. Let's know about it. Henna. Henna comes the antimicrobial properties which helps the keeping the scalp healthy. Moreover, it's completely natural and gives a smoothing feeling to the scalp. This helps in the calming down itchy and irritated scalps. Henna is particularly beneficial for the oil hair and oily scalp. It helps in absorbing the excess sebum and dirt and keep the scalp clean. It controls oil production, forms the sebaceous glands and restores the natural pH balance of the scalp. This way, it strengthens the hair follicles and reduces hair falls. Let's we know how to prepare henna hair pack. Ingredients are henna, curd and olive oil. Take some henna powder, curd and olive oil and make a paste with all these ingredients and now apply on hair and wear a shower cap to it. Wash it after 1 hour. Henna works as an amazing hair conditioner when used in combination with yogurt olive oil. It leaves you with hair which feels like smooth to touch. It also makes hair look glossy. One of the best benefits of henna for hair it is that it has amazing nourishing properties for your hair. When used on a regular basis, henna helps in repairing the damaged hair shafts. It also helping in improving hair elasticity and strengthens the hair strands, thus reducing the hair breakage. Henna also supports growth of new hair follicles, which in turn results in better hair growth. The antimicrobial benefits of henna, along with its smoothing properties, make it an ideal natural treatment for dandruff. These are the main benefits of henna for hair. Olive oil has amazing moisturizing properties for your hair. It is enriched with both omega 6 and omega 9 fatty acids. The omega 6 fatty acids prevents moisture loss from hair, while omega 9 fatty acids are important to make hair softer and easy to manage. Olive oil can keep away scalp dryness as well. It adds moisturization and nourishes to the scalp, gives relief from the dryness as well as itchiness. Yogurt is known for its moisturizing qualities. It conditions the hair and helps smoothing dry and coarse hair effectively. Also, it adds a natural shine to the hair. Yogurt comes with beneficial proteins as well as lactic acid, which works efficiently to nourish dry and damaged hair. Furthermore, the probiotics in yogurt helps in treating any fungal infection on the scalp effectively and also can give relief from dandruff. The anti-inflammatory benefits of yogurt helps to smooth the irritation and inflammation of the scalp. When applied on the scalp, it reduces the itching of the scalp. Make your hair look beautiful using this natural home remedy. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please follow and subscribe our channel.